Hi guys, today I'll be showing the installation of my upgrade kit for Magnificent Mecha, which turns the display base into a storage unit for all his accessories. To start off, we need to take off the bottom. You need to take out all the screws, and then if you hold it like this and give it a little push, you can release the bottom because it's quite tight. Now we need to do a small modification. If you have the base, you can lift out one of these pieces, and we need to cut this section. Just use some normal cutters to get in there. I already did mine on this one. We need this to make place for the gun. Once you've done that, we need to connect all 6 corners with these pieces, and these can fit only one way, so they sit flush with the bottom. So make sure you put them on the correct way. I'm gonna put these on and then we'll get back. After you've installed all the corners and put back the screws, we can move on to the base plate, which is this. And we need to take this piece and insert it from the back into this square hole. There's a notch on 2 sides, so it can only go in one way, like that, flush with the bottom. Now we can put it in the base, and you can see here on the top there's a small arrow which needs to point to the section where you cut the inner webbing. And to put it in, you have to angle it so it clears the connector pieces, move it inside a little bit, rotate and drop down. Then we take this tube, which has a flat spot on one side, which has the same shape down below. Line it up and put in the final screw. So that's secure. And now we need to fix the corners. So we take these small pieces and we need to fit them in the corners. The light is a little bit bad, but these go here. Give them a small push, they click into place, and we need to do that on all 6 sides. The hole is to be able to remove it after installation. I'll do all 6 corners and I'll get back to you. So once you have all 6 corners secured, it's all tight. Now we can start putting in the accessories, and I will start with the arm panels because you have 2 different types. You have the Earth mode and the Cybertronian mode. So you have either this one or this one, and these go into here, but they each fit in a different way, because the Earth mode, which are the originals, they both have a magnet alongside with the arms, so they repel each other. And the Cybertronian panels, they only have a steel insert, so they don't repel. These Cybertronian, they go with this edge upward, so you just click it into the hole and drop it down. Same with this one. Put it in on a slight angle, and it's and then rotate down. Clips into place, secure, and it's easy to remove. The earth mode, they go with this flat piece down, and you see the tiny slot over there that goes inside. Like that, and you can see if I move this, it's moving because of the magnet, but it will not come out. It's very secure and still easy to take out. So for now I'll put back the Cybertronian just to have something in here for the video, and we'll get back to the next one. After fitting the arm panels, it's maybe the easiest to attach the matrix, which goes onto the peg here, and then you can take the globe and put it in like this. For his shoulders we have several options, also because of the Earth and Cybertronian mode, and we have different parts for this. This is the Earth mode with the smokestack for the truck, and you can remove that for the smokestack for the robot. These smokestacks, they both have a place to go, and it's a little bit difficult to see, but you can see the round port here, and there's also one here on the bottom. These are for the Earth mode, for the straight smokestacks. They go in there. Then we have the robot mode smokestacks. They go in here. Like that. And then you have the arm panels. I now take the Cybertronian ones. They fit on the side of the globe. You have the square piece here, and the square piece here with the little nubs, and you can clip these on here like that. These simply can be removed and replaced by the Earth mode. It's all just the same. Then you have the Cybertronian shoulder panels with the smokestacks. These fit into here, and they have to go in a specific way to fit. You have the, let's see, that's the right arm panel, goes in first, like this, and the other one goes in like this. If you need to store the earth mode shoulder pads, you use these posts. You can put them on, lower the red panel, in this orientation. Now onto the hands. I installed the articulated hands on the figure, but in any case you'll have 8 sets of hands to store, and we can do that on these ball pegs. Let me remove these ones for now. So these only go in a specific way, because the fists, the closed fists, are the only ones who are able to fit in the middle. And then I like to use the gun hands like that, the open hands, and you can put them in a way that the thumb goes inside the gun hand. There's multiple ways to put these hands in, but I always like to do it like that. I meant it the other way, not put the thumb in the... And there you have it. All hands stored inside. And if you need one, you can just pull it off. Like that. Let me put this pieces back. So now on to the next accessories. We have the cybertronian discs, which go onto this panel, and they are staggered in height. So first you put the low ones, and then you put the high ones, so they overlap like this, and they go next to the smokestacks with the discs pointing down, and you just clip it into the webbing. And we have the panels for the articulated hands to use the different weapons, and we simply clip them onto this piece, and these go next to the globe like that. Then the axe goes in like this, clips into place. All done. We take the sword, and that goes into this clip. I recommend to put it in like this first, and once you go down you start to rotate. Now I need to steal his sword. So the second one goes on top, like that. And then we have his gun. And the barrel of the gun goes a little bit inside the piece where we cut the webbing. And then his magazine fits between this space, and the back of the gun just slides next to the piece over there. And there you have it. It's all fitted. So now it's all inside. Nothing comes out. And it's nice and flat for him to stand on. And he gives his thumbs up. If you like this video and you like to support me making more upgrade kits for the future, please like and subscribe. I'll put a link in the description how to get a hold of me to order this kit. So bye bye for now, have a nice day.